Hey, this is Nightblade, and today I'm going to be doing a short tutorial on how to customize your desktop. So the first thing you need to know is what is the desktop? Well, the desktop is the first thing you see when you log onto the computer. Now, you need to know what's on the desktop first. So you have these icons, movable icons, and the first one I have here is Internet Explorer, which is the default. I have Google Chrome and the recycle bin, which you cannot delete. Then down here is the taskbar. So first you have this little icon down here, the same as the one on your desktop background, and it's clickable to pop up your start menu. Glows. Then you have the Internet Explorer, once again down here. That's a shortcut. Windows File Explorer and Windows Media, and those are the little default that will be automatically on there once you get it. Now the first thing we're going to be changing is the background, because that's the simplest. Now the first thing is right click, personalize, and this tab will pop up. You can see it at the bottom. It is the control panel tab, customization. So they have many options to choose from. There's architecture, characters, landscape, nature, scenes, and finally United States. I'm gonna choose characters because I like that one, and then just exit out, and there you go, you've changed it. Now we're gonna modify the text taskbar. Now once again you're gonna right click on it, click properties, and it's a little more than the other one because there's more options, but we're gonna stay simple and look at taskbar location on screen. There's bottom, left, right, and top. Now you can choose whatever you want. I'm just going to choose left for an example. And as you can see, when I push apply, the taskbar is moved to the left of the screen. Now I'm going to change that back. Cancel. And to change it again, you just do the same thing. Right click, properties, location, and I'm going to do bottom, apply. Okay. And that's how you change it. If you don't want to go through all of that to change the location, you can simply just right click, lock the taskbar, and then just drag it where you think you want it. I'm going to keep it at the bottom, you come out at the top, and then lock it again. Keep it in place. Move it to the bottom. There's more to the taskbar also. You can add more folders. Now, properties of the taskbar, and you can go to toolbars. Now you can add desktop, or I have all this stuff, and you can add little folders, or you can just add them on yourself. But there's more detail on that, and leave it in the comments below if you want an extra episode on that. That is your taskbar. So far we've covered that, and we're going to go into the icons, which I talked about earlier. With the icons, right click, properties. That's really all you need to know. Go to properties, and you can change the icon, the appearance of how you see it. So these are all the options they give you. They give you a lot of options, including the default option. Let's say I want to pick this, like don't touch it. You apply it, and there you go. It's not the Internet Explorer icon, it's the cancel icon. I want to change it back, but there's also something else you can do. I like this. You can change icon, and you can make it disappear. One of these through here, and when you're sliding through, you'll see an empty space. Let me find it. Here it is. 3 empty spaces. When you click those spaces, your icon disappears. Now, if you take away the text, like I can rename this a dot to where it won't be hardly anything, and then place it somewhere where it can't be seen. If it wasn't a shortcut, this would be better, because you can see the shortcut icon, but you'd basically make it disappear. So I'll keep that like that. There's a few more things you can change. There's the notification, the volume and stuff, but really the most thing you can change is the time. It's not really a part of the desktop, but it's still a piece of the desktop that you'd like to change. So you change the date and time settings. There's no properties for this one. And you just set it. Time right there by seconds, minutes, hours. And then there's the calendar over here if you want to change that. That's that. That's pretty much the most you can change. If there's something I left out, leave it in the comments below. And for now, see you next time.